Hey guys, it's Mrs. Oppenheim again. I wanted to do another video to show you how to multiply multiples of 10. I know that sounds kind of like a mouthful. Multiples of 10, so multiplying those. A multiple of 10, let's talk about that. That would be a number that would be an even 10. So 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, and so on. So this trick that I'm about to show you is so important. I remember my teachers when I was a kid showing me, and I've never forgotten it, and it will help you forever. So multiplying multiples of 10. So let's go ahead and let's start out with a multiple of 10. Let's do 30. Okay, 30 times 6. Let's do that. 30 times 6. Now, we know multiplication is basically repeated addition. So I can solve this by adding 36 times. If I decide to add 36 times, I can do that, but it's going to take me a while. So let's go ahead and look at this special trick. If I take this 0 and I just ignore that 0 for just a minute, that gives me 3 and 6. So let's go ahead and do 3 times 6. 3 times 6 is 18, and then that 0 we ignored, we're going to bring that over, add it onto the end, and that tells me that 30 times 6 is 180. Now, let me just prove it to you that this works. So if I add 30 6 times, so I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. All right, 30 plus 30 is 60. 60 plus 30 more would be 90. 90 plus 30 more would be 120. 120 plus 30 more would be 150. 150 plus 30 more would be 180. That proves that 30 times 6 is 180. So let's just do one more example just so I can prove this to you. Let's go ahead this time and do 50 times 7. Okay, 50 times 7. Now remember what I said, ignore that 0. Ignore that 0, that gives us 5 times 7. 5 times 7 we know is 35. Take that 0 that we ignored, bring it to the end. That gives us a number of 350. So 50 times 7 equals 350.